Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Game Changer and signing in. Do this now. Create the team profile, set season dates, and add the roster so scores sync. Once done, assign coach and manager permissions. This controls scoring and stat edits. Make sure the home field and league settings match, otherwise pitch counts and standings will be wrong. You should import existing rosters or enter players manually and verify each jersey number. That prevents misattributed plays during games. You'll now prepare the lineup and start live scoring. Tap the lineup, confirm positions, and lock the batting order shortly before first pitch. During play, record every play with concise taps, outs, hits, fielding errors, and pitch counts. Once done, tag pitch types and hit locations to improve pitcher and hitter metrics. This also helps video sync later. Make sure to log substitutions immediately so box scores and inning summaries remain accurate for coaches and parents. Finish by closing the game and reviewing the full scorebook. Check pitch counts, innings, and substitutions to ensure totals match your scoreboard. Then export the box score, game stats, and play-by-play to share with parents and scouts. If you spot errors, use the Edit Play feature to correct mislogged plays and rebuild stats where available. If the app fails to sync or shows duplicated plays, force a sync, restart the app, and contact support with the game ID if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.